Good morning, dear students. Yesterday we seen the lesson, the medieval world. Hope all of you understood the lesson. So do your homework in your notebook. First of all, you should make two notebooks, one for history and one for geography, and write down the answer. Today we are going to start our second chapter, the regional kingdoms. Which? The regional kingdoms. You know, friends, there were two types of medieval worlds. One, early medieval period, and second, late medieval period. Today we see about the early medieval period. There were so many powerful dynasties ruled over India in early medieval period. In the North India, there were the Rajput, the Ghurids, and some Ghaznavids, Palas, Gujara, Pratiharas were the powerful dynasties. In Deccan, there were Rashtrakut and few smaller kingdoms were ruled. And in South, there were Pallavas, Pandyas, and Cholas were ruled. Today, we are going to learn about the most powerful dynasties in the North India, which the Rajput. Which most powerful dynasties were ruled in India?
Rajput.
Yes, it's the Rajput. They rule over the North India. And Rajput. The Rajput words come from the Sanskrit word Rajputra. Which word?
Rajputra.
Yes. And what is the meaning of Rajputra? The king of the sun. Which? The king of the sun means Rajputra. And in this way, historians have a different opinion regarding their origin. Historian के अनुसार there were different opinions according to their origin. Some believe that they were descendant of the Central Asian tribal settled in India after the Hun invention. Some believe in that they came from the Central Asian tribes way after the Hun invention. The Rajput, however, claim to be the descendant of the Kshatriyas of warrior class of the Vedic times. Look, राजपूत को क्या कंसिडर किया जाता है? क्षत्रिय. दोनों शूद्र वैश्य क्षत्रिय.
Yes.
As this Rajputs considered as the Kshatriya.
Yeah.
What? Kshatriya. Kshatriya class. And Kshatriya means warriors. Kshatriya means
Warriors.
The great warriors.
The great warriors.
Means Yodha.
Means Yoda.
You understand? The Rajput, however, claim to be the descendant of the Kshatriyas or warriors class of the Vedic times. Vedic time में उनको क्या कहा जाता है? Kshatriya means warrior. Understood? They claim that they were Suryavanshi, that is the belonging the sun family, or Chandravanshi, that is belonging the moon family. Some Rajput clans also consider themselves to be the part of the fire family. They believe that they were born out of the sacrificial fire. Students, you know, Rajput considered that they are the Rajput. They claim that they were from the Suryavanshi. What is meant by Suryavanshi? Belonging to the sun family. Which family?
Sun family.
Yes, correct. Which family?
Sun family.
And Chandravanshi means moon family. And Agnikula means they considered that they born from the sacrificial fire. Understood? Now we learn about the more powerful dynasties of the Rajput like Tomars, Parmars, Gadhawalas and Chandels that rule over the India in that period. Which period? In early middle period.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
Stop. Students, the Tomars, Chauhans, Solankis, Parmars, Gadhawalas and the Chandels were some of the important Rajput clan that ruled during this period. First of all, we see about the Tomars. Which one?
Tomars.
Tomars. Tomars. The Tomar ruler founded the Delhi city. Which city? Delhi. Who founded? The Tomars. The great Rajput Tomars founded the Delhi in 8th century. In which century? 8th century. Later, the Chauhans annexed their territories. Now, we see about the Chauhans. Where the Chauhans came from? Chauhans of Rajasthan. Understand? Chauhans of Rajasthan. The Chauhans, also known as Chahamanas, ruled the region around Delhi and Ajmer. Where they rule? Chauhans, also known as Chahamanas. And they rule over the Delhi and Ajmer also.
Yes.
The most powerful Chauhans. The most powerful Chauhan was the great ruler, the Prithviraj Chauhan. Which?
Prithviraj Chauhan.
Yes. The Prithviraj Chauhan. He defeated the Muhammad Ghori in 1191. In which century he defeated the Muhammad Ghori? 1191. Understood?
Yes.
Gujarat. Next, one important Rajput ruler, Solankis. They came from the Gujarat. Which region? Gujarat. The Solankis were also known as Chalukyas of Gujarat. What they known? Chalukyas. Who? Solankis. Solankis were also known as Chalukyas of Gujarat.
Yes.
Siddharaja was the most powerful ruler. Which ruler? Siddharaja. The Dilwara temple at Mount Abu and the Sun temple at the Modhera, Gujarat were built by the Solankis ruler. Look, student, the Dilwara temple. Which temple? Dilwara temple. Where is it situated? At Mount Abu. And the Sun temple at Modhera in Gujarat were built by the Solankis ruler. Which ruler? Solankis. Next, one of the powerful Rajput ruler, Parmars. Which? Parmars. Parmars of Malwa. Which region? Parmars of Malwa. Bhoja Parmara. Bhoj Parmara was the powerful ruler. Which ruler? Bhoj Parmara. His capital was Dhar. Which? Dhar. The Nilkanteshwara temple at Udaipur was built by the Parmars. Which temple they built? Nilkanteshwara's temple. Who built this temple? The Parmars. Understood? The Bhoj Parmar was the powerful ruler and his capital was Dhar. The Nilkanteshwara's temple at Udaipur, where it is situated? At Udaipur, was built by the Parmaras. And next, powerful dynasty of Rajput ruler, Gadhawalas. Which? Gadhawalas. Next powerful Rajput were Gadhawalas. Which? Gadhawalas. Gadhawalas rule which region? Kannauj. Which region?
Kannauj.
Gadhawala king Jayachandra. Which king? The Jayachandra was defeated by the Muhammad Ghori in 1194. उन्होंने किसको डिफीट किया? मोहम्मद गोरी को. In which century? In 1194. And next powerful Rajput dynasty, Chandels. Where they came from? Chandels of Bundelkhand. From which region? Chandels of Bundelkhand. Understood? The Chandels were the ruler of land between the Yamuna and Narmada river. Where they rule? Between the land of Yamuna and Narmada river. Which rivers? Yamuna and Narmada river. Chandels were ruled between the land of Yamuna and Narmada river. Khajuraho was the capital of Chandels ruler. Which capital?
Chandel.
Khajuraho. Which capital? Khajuraho was the capital of Chandels ruler. Understood? It has many beautiful temples built by the Chandels. Kirtivarman was the most powerful ruler of the dynasty. Look friends, Chandels of the Bundelkhand. They rule between the land of. They built most beautiful temples in their region. Kirtivarman, which Kirtivarman was the most powerful dynasties of the Chandels. Understood? These are the most powerful dynasties of Rajput. Which Rajput? Tomars from Delhi, Chauhans of Rajasthan, Solankis of Gujarat, Parmars of Malwa, Gadhawals of Kannauj, Chandels of Bundelkhand. Student, we will stop here. Hope you understood the topic. Thank you.